Furniture is an essential part of any home or office, and it's no wonder that the furniture industry is a thriving and profitable business. If you're looking to start your own furniture business, you have plenty of options to choose from. Here are 10 profitable furniture business ideas to get you started. Custom furniture design. Custom furniture design is a profitable business idea for those who have a passion for furniture design and woodworking. This business involves creating unique pieces of furniture that are customized to meet the specific needs and preferences of your clients. Custom furniture can range from high-end luxury items to more affordable practical pieces. To start this business, you'll need to have a workshop with the necessary tools and equipment, a portfolio of your work, and the ability to market your business effectively. Furniture rental. Furniture rental is a business idea that provides a cost-effective solution for people who are moving into a new home or office and don't want to invest in expensive furniture. You can rent out furniture to individuals and businesses for short-term or long-term use. This business involves acquiring a stock of furniture, marketing your services, and ensuring that the furniture is well-maintained and clean for each new customer. This business can be particularly profitable in urban areas, where people are more likely to move frequently. Antique furniture restoration. Antique furniture restoration is a profitable business idea for those who have a passion for restoring old furniture to its former glory. This business involves acquiring antique furniture pieces, assessing their condition, and restoring them to their original condition using a variety of techniques. You can sell the restored antique furniture pieces to collectors, antique dealers, or individuals who appreciate the beauty and craftsmanship of antique furniture. To start this business, you'll need to have knowledge of furniture restoration techniques, access to tools and equipment, and the ability to market your services effectively. Office furniture sales. Office furniture sales is a business idea that caters to the commercial market. This business involves selling desks, chairs, filing cabinets, and other office furniture to businesses. To start this business, you'll need to establish relationships with manufacturers and suppliers of office furniture, have a showroom or website to display your products, and have the ability to offer competitive pricing and excellent customer service. Outdoor furniture sales. Outdoor furniture sales is a profitable business idea that caters to people who enjoy spending time outside. You can sell everything from patio sets to outdoor dining tables and chairs. This business can be particularly profitable during the summer months when people spend more time outside. To start this business, you'll need to have relationships with manufacturers and suppliers of outdoor furniture, have a showroom or website to display your products, and have the ability to offer competitive pricing and excellent customer service. Children's furniture sales. Children's furniture sales is a profitable niche in the furniture industry. Parents are always on the lookout for quality children's furniture. You can specialize in designing and selling children's furniture, including beds, dressers, and desks. This business can be particularly profitable during the back-to-school season. To start this business, you'll need to have relationships with manufacturers and suppliers of children's furniture, have a showroom or website to display your products, and have the ability to offer competitive pricing and excellent customer service. Furniture upcycling. Furniture upcycling involves taking old or unwanted furniture and transforming it into something new and beautiful. You can repaint, reupholster, or refinish old furniture to give it a new lease on life. This business is environmentally friendly and can be profitable if you have a talent for creative upcycling. To start this business, you'll need to have a workshop with the necessary tools and equipment, have the ability to source old furniture, and have a marketing strategy that showcases your creative upcycling skills. Furniture refinishing. Furniture refinishing is a similar business to furniture upcycling, but it involves restoring furniture to its original condition. This business requires some skill and knowledge of furniture refinishing techniques, including sanding, staining, and varnishing. You can specialize in refinishing antique furniture or offer services for modern pieces that need a fresh coat of paint or finish. This business requires a workshop with the necessary tools and equipment, a knowledge of furniture refinishing techniques, and the ability to market your services effectively. Furniture delivery and assembly. Furniture delivery and assembly is a service-based business that caters to people who don't have the time, skills, or tools to assemble furniture themselves. This business involves delivering furniture to your customers' homes or offices and assembling it for them. You can specialize in delivering and assembling furniture from a specific manufacturer or offer your services to a wider market. This business requires access to a vehicle, tools and equipment for assembly, and excellent customer service skills. Online furniture retail. Online furniture retail is a growing business idea that caters to people who prefer to shop online for furniture. This business involves selling furniture through an e-commerce website, including everything from beds and sofas to dining room tables and chairs. To start this business, you'll need to establish relationships with manufacturers and suppliers of furniture, build an e-commerce website, and have a marketing strategy that targets online shoppers. This business can be particularly profitable if you can offer competitive pricing and a wide selection of furniture options. Thanks for watching this video on 10 profitable furniture business ideas. We hope you found these ideas helpful and inspiring. Starting a furniture business can be a challenging but rewarding venture. Whether you're passionate about custom furniture design, furniture restoration, or online furniture retail, there's a niche in the furniture industry for you. Remember, the key to success is to offer high-quality products and services, have a strong marketing strategy, and always strive to meet the needs and preferences of your customers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.